Power service contracts are at the heart of Lectra's cutting room solutions. Constantly connected to our call center via inbuilt sensors and counters on our systems, Lectra's experts take preemptive action before failure even occurs. These unique services make our equipment some of the most reliable on the market and enable our customers to achieve their production targets. In fact, 80% of manufacturing-related queries, for example queries on Vector V4, V5 or Versalis, including pilot, are resolved remotely via secure connection to our customer care experts. For software-related queries, for instance Modaris or design concept, we are even able to resolve 99% of the customer queries remotely. Lectra's experts constantly monitor warning messages and act according to the severity level. When they see critical errors or a sudden increase of errors, they open a service call and treat it immediately. Thanks to our ability to detect abnormal functioning of the machines at the very early stage, we can act in a proactive and planned way before the machine stops. This predictive maintenance is a key advantage compared to our competitors. Based on our expertise, we plan in advance regular preventive maintenance interventions to avoid parts breakage. System audits and inspection reports ensure regular control of the system, keep maintenance costs under control, and avoid extra spare part consumption. On top, by combining the replacement of multiple wearable parts with the same lifespan in our maintenance kit offer, sold by our consumable sales team, we avoid disruption of production and reduce the downtime due to the maintenance to a minimum. The respect of Lectra's maintenance plan ensures that common tasks, like resetting parameters, are optimized. You reset the parameters once and not for each single wearable part. At Lectra, we have our own inventories of spare parts. Based on our experience, we know the most frequently required parts and most critical ones, and we manage priorities by ensuring that customers under contract will be delivered and supported first. With a contract that includes spare parts, customers will save time by avoiding the need to have the quotation approved.